How to use Foodpanda Credit. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Foodpanda Credit. First, open the Foodpanda application on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner. Here, select Top Up to check your balance and discover exciting offers. From here, you can check your available credit. Now tap on Top Up Your Balance. Here, you can select the desired amount and enter it accordingly. After that, tap on Next. You can then confirm the payment method as Foodpanda Credit. Now go back and choose any restaurant from which you want to order. Select the food items you wish to order. Once you've made your selections, tap on View Your Card. Proceed by tapping on Confirm Payment and Address. Now, select the payment method as Foodpanda Credit. Finally, tap on Confirm. This is how you can use Foodpanda Credit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.